Hi, my name is Sharik Mirza. I'm the CEO and founder of Assurety Consulting and Solutions. We provide software solutions, integration services, as well as analytics and other services to commercial mailing, direct marketing, postal parcel industry. In the last few months, many of our clients, new clients, have told us that there is a common anxiety and stress within the industry, where a couple vendors have told their customers that the Mail.dat management software that they used to offer is going to be retiring sometime this year. If that's true, then there are only two choices that commercial mailing industry has. One is to go with the old software offered by a large vendor, which is legacy software where you're toggling between modules, where the data is not centralized, where the speed is not scalable, where you cannot multitask, versus Assurety's AIMSplus, which is industry's leading web-based Mail.dat software platform. It's built from the ground up to help you manage all of your workflows in a single workflow. You can multitask across jobs. You can open a new tab and you can work on 5 jobs at a time. It's integrated with our tracking, so you can see entry facility performance history, where you're about to go. So if you need to make a change, you can pick up the phone and tell your mail owner, hey, do you really want to go to Savannah or wherever the challenges are, or would you like me to change your shipping to a different entry facility? The overall technology costs, overall usability costs are very low, and we are centralizing all of your data so you can make a lot more value out of your data through analytics. It's very easy to work with us. Ask us for a demo. Start a trial on our servers. You don't need to include your IT shop during the functional testing. Once you're satisfied, we will install the software on premise on your server and requires SQL Server. It's a secure Microsoft technology. All you need to do is then sell more mail after this process. Thank you for listening.